On a rather sad story, the suspected murderer of the Assemblies of God senior pastor is in police custody at the Tema Regional Police Command.
The Tema Police Public Relations Officer, ASP Joseph Obinefo, told the media that the command has deployed security personnel to the church premises and the residence of the late senior pastor to maintain law and order and also to investigate the incident.
Police had information that suspect Francis Mugnala Nabig Mado went to Assemblies of God Church, Committee 4 at Tema here, and then entered the premises and stabbed the head pastor, who is Reverend Dr. David Nabig Mado. So when we had the information, we quickly rushed to the premises, and there we arrested the suspect, Francis Mugnala Nabig Mado. Now, what we retrieved from the suspect there was a dagger and a bottle containing alcohol and one other bottle containing tapping tan and a box of matches. So when we got there, we quickly rushed the doctor, the Reverend Dr. Nabig Mado, to the Tema hospital. And unfortunately, he was pronounced dead by the medical staff there. And as we speak, his body has been deposited at the morgue, Tema General Hospital. But currently, the suspect, Francis Nabig Mado, is with us here to assist with investigation. We arrested only the Francis Nabig Mado, who, according to him, he is the nephew of the Reverend. And he told us point blank, even when we went there, he was talking to the church members that he did it alone and he came purposely to stab the deceased. So we are investigating. We have dispatched some police to the church premises and the domicile, I mean the place of abode of the Reverend, to make sure we maintain security there for now.